All right, made it to the second stop today. I'm going to be working on a 2012 Lexus LS460. Got this right here. It's pretty deep, so we're going to hit that with the grinder, just the conditioning disc, and then sand it out. We'll just sand that out, reform it with the 320. And this has already been through detail, so we're going to try to get this tire cleaned up a little bit, but it's got fresh tire shine on it, so it's going to want to stick. But wipe as much of the dust off as you can. All right, on to the next one.